If you're experiencing low performance in Valorant, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your settings and enhance your gameplay. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers. This can significantly improve performance and fix bugs. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower your in-game graphics settings. Go to the Settings menu in Valorant and reduce the quality of textures, shadows, and effects. Setting the resolution to a low value can also help improve frame rates. Step 3. Optimize Windows settings. Change your Windows power settings to high performance. Go to Control Panel Power Options and select the High Performance plan. This ensures that your system is using maximum resources for gaming. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching Valorant, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can lead to better performance during gameplay. Step 5. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast. Use a wired connection if possible, and check for any bandwidth-heavy applications running on your network that could affect your gaming experience. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Valorant performance. Enjoy your gaming.